Iterate variables over binary combinations. Is there a simple way to loop variables through all possible combinations of true/false? For example, say we have a function. Is there a way to loop A, B, C through 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, etc.? My first thought was to loop through the integers and get the bit that corresponds to the variable position, like so. It seems to work, but A, B, and C when printed out are all integers, and integers interact with logical operators differently than booleans. For example, 4 and 2 equals 2, and 9 or 3 equals 9. I don't mind it too much, it just took some thinking through to convince myself this doesn't matter. But the question still stands, is there a still simpler way to loop through all possible true/false or 0-1 values?
Use itertools.product. If you really want integers 1 and 0, just replace true, false with 1, 0. There's little reason to treat integers as bit arrays here.